स्टार्ट कर दूं?
हाँ कर दे.
चलो बाय.
Hey, hi everyone. Am I audible to every one of you? Hello, 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 hello. अभी क्या आ गया मैं कि नहीं आया? Hi everyone. So, welcome to day 2 of Python programming.
Hey,
Yeah,
hi everyone.
it's a very funny incident which happened with me today. The thing is, I got into Ganpati Aarti, and when I got into Ganpati's Aarti, I was like, कि यार गणपति की आरती will start and will finish early, but what happened is I was there till now. I think just 1 minute prior, I was like running down till here, and abhi I am just okay. So that's one thing. So I'm so sorry for like not being able to start the stream at 6:30 p.m. as decided. I'm 20 minutes late. Okay, but I'll still make sure that I cover lots of your topics from A to Z, and then we take it ahead. Okay, so कैसे हो सब लोग? कैसे हो सब लोग? All good, every one of you. So let's get started right away. Everyone is there, yes or a no? So please tell me in the chat. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, every one of you, and I hope every one of you have got amazing Ganpatis at house or like nearby in your society and all. If at all you are in Navi Mumbai by any chance, come visit us. We have done the Ganpati Sthapna in our campus. Okay, so like welcome everyone to ITM Kharghar. Now, so let me just get started with sharing my screen. So please let me know if you are able to see my screen. मेरी screen दिख रही है कि नहीं दिख रही है बताओ. ठीक है? Are you able to see my screen? Yes or a no? Yes or a no? Are you able to see my screen? So please tell me in the chat. Okay. So yesterday we have completed, number one thing is our basic Python programming. Okay. Then we have done is like, okay, what are the basic 3 different types of code environments that we were seeing yesterday. And these 3 different types of code environments, one was like notebook environment, the other is like our a text editor, and the third one that we have actually gone through is IDE. What do you mean by IDE? Give me the answer in the chat. I'm looking into your chat right now. How do I get notes? You will be getting notes. I'll be sharing all your notes and everything. Your notes are here itself in this place. Okay, so I'll share your notes today again in the chat. Okay, it's very I'm sharing that right now one more time. Okay, so don't do this Hindi English in your chat, by the way. I've shared it in the chat right now. Just go check it out. Saikiran Sundarkar from my ID. I've shared it. But yeah, today we have got lots to cover. Number one thing from where we have to start is like advanced data type. We have yesterday completed 4 basic data types, that is integer, float, string and boolean. Okay, अपन ने कल ये 4 basic data type खत्म किया. ठीक है, I'll use both the languages, Hindi and English in equal quantity, so don't worry, I will not miss upon anything. मैं कुछ भी नहीं पीछे छोड़ूंगा, मैं दोनों के दोनों चीज़ like I'll cover so that you guys are with me. Now, number one thing is list, okay, that we have to cover today. What do you mean by a list? What do you mean by a list? List is nothing just but, let me just go ahead and notes. What do you mean by list? Okay, so list is nothing just but it's an ordered sequence of objects. That means in your society, okay, I'll just take an example. Okay, I'll take an example of a shopping list. What all are there in your shopping list? In your shopping list, let's add items to our shopping list. Okay, so number one item to our shopping list is like toothpaste, toothbrush, okay, milk, biscuits. So these 4 things are there in our shopping list. So how we do 1, 2, 3, 4 in a shopping list? That's That's how lists are in Python programming also. To store that kind of data, that a collection of objects together, we use list. Are we clear? Are we clear? To store collection of data in a sequence, we use list. Okay, am I clear, every one of you? So please tell me in the chat to use collection to store a collection of objects or data in a sequence is known as list. Okay, list can store various data type at once. That means I can, along with the integer, I can also store a string, but I can also store a decimal, I can also store a boolean, and I can also store a sub list also. Am I clear? सब लोग ध्यान दे रहे हो मेरे पे? I mean, every one of you are like focusing on this point. What I am trying to say, ordered sequence of objects. Those objects can be integers, float, string, and list itself. Now let's just go ahead and have a let's create a shopping list. LST, I'm giving a variable name. I'll just give my list. Okay, my underscore list. Now inside my underscore list, I'll use square brackets. Okay, inside this, number one item is like toothpaste. Yeah, am I writing the spelling of toothpaste right? Yes, like in a correct sense, yes or no? So please tell me that. BRUSH, toothbrush, toothpaste, toothbrush, and then I said क्या है अपना तीसरा milk. Okay, and then we have got cookies. Okay, these 4 items are there in my list. What I have done, just for my keyboard shortcut to run this thing is what's that, command plus enter or control plus enter. So whenever you click control plus enter, it executes. My list is what my list is: toothpaste, toothbrush, milk, and cookie. Okay, so it is giving me all the 4 items whatever I have stored in this particular list. Am I right? Sorry, am I clear? Am I clear, every one of you? So please tell me in the chat. Am I clear? Please tell me in the chat if you all guys are like yes. Now someone is asking, why do you use underscore in between in the name of variable? Okay, I'll touch base on that in a while, but before going there, let me summarize what we have done with list. In Hindi, list का मतलब बहुत सिंपल है. It's वो एक collection है different objects का साथ में एक sequence के अंदर. That's it. Okay, इकट्ठे में बहुत सारे object अगर रखने हैं तो अपन list use करते हैं Python के अंदर. In C++ or other programming languages, you might have heard the word about array. Okay, so आप लोगों ने array सुना होगा in other programming languages. In this programming language, we use something that is known as list. Are we clear? Done? Okay. Now, what we will do is like if we want to retrieve only this particular item from the list, what will we do? What will we do to retrieve only this particular item from list? Can you please tell me in the chat? My list. Okay, if I do my list, the entire list is coming. But if I just want a particular item, that item is toothbrush. If I just want toothbrush, what I'll do? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, so something like this, square bracket. Okay, which item is this? 1. Toothpaste is at the position 1. Toothbrush is at position 2. Milk is like position 3, and cookies is at position 4. Okay, so this is position 1, right? So I technically need to do position 2. So what I'll do, I'll just write down 2 here. Let's see what happens. Okay, to retrieve a single element out of my list, you need to do is like what? Aapko my list, you have to write down my list and you have to write down the position number. But see, whenever we have, like, as soon as we wrote 2, it is printing milk. Why is it that way? Aisa kyun? If we are writing 2, that means it is printing milk. If we will write 1, it will give me toothbrush. Okay, now if I do 0, it will show what? It is showing toothpaste. That means a list, a Python list, stores the basic index of each and every element which is there in this particular list starts from 0. Each and every list item index start from 0. Are you guys with me? Clear? So 0 means toothpaste. Okay, 1 means toothbrush, 2 means milk. Okay, then 3 means it's cookies. Okay, if 4 means it will be an error. It will give us an error, that is index out of range. जब कभी index out of range अगर error दिखाता है, जब कभी index out of range error दिखाता है, that means we have to understand whatever items are there in this particular list, we are requesting more than that. Okay, address. Okay, are you guys with the, are you guys like are you guys with me? Number 1. If not, please tell me in the chat right now. If we write my list 1, it's give nothing. Why? No, it will give you something. See, in my list I have got a total 4 items, right? Now there is one more way how to check how many items are there in your list. There is a by default function known as len my list. Whenever you do len my list, see, it will give you the exact element, how many items are there in this particular list. Are we clear? Are we clear, boss? Are we clear, every one of you? All the rowdies, are we clear? Okay, I hope we are like somewhat okay with the concept, that is list. Lists are used for storing a collection of data together. It can be of any random object in that. So we will just create a my list list 1 or like my list 2. In this my list 2, okay, I'll give a number is 23, and I'll give a name. The name is Gaurav, Gaurav, Gaurav Dole, Dole, Gaurav Dole, and I will then write his marks, that is, let's say 99.9%. Okay, so see, now I can store in my list 2, okay, I can store all these objects, okay, 23, Gaurav Dole, and 99.9. Okay, so list can store multiple objects. Are we clear? Are we clear? Are we clear about it? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat, every one of you. List is a collection of sequenced collection, or like what? List is a sequenced collection of various objects together. That's what I can say in so many words. Okay, done. So I'm so sorry I have not switched to 1080. The reason is that I got super late with Ganpati Aarti, and as soon as I like entered, even the ACs are off. I'm like fatafat lagao and chalu karo. Even I don't have my water bottle with me, so I just hope I don't get the requirement of water for like next one hour. Fine. So the next data type. Before going to the next data type, someone asked me about why do you write this underscore and all in the variable name. So let's touch base on a concept. That concept is variable names. Okay, that is variable name. there are certain rules for naming a variable. Yesterday I just forgot to touch base on these topics. By the way, today I will be giving you an assignment. Okay, today I will be giving you an assignment to do it on your own. Okay, to do it on your own. Am I clear? Am I clear? Are we clear? Done? मैं आपको एक assignment दूंगा आज जाने से पहले, आपको खुद से करना है. You have to do it on your own and be prepared. It will be super easy. You can do it. I know that. Okay, it's super easy. Now rules for variable names. It's very simple. Names, variable names cannot start with a number. Number one rule. Okay, cannot start with a number. Write down in the chat. याद हो जाएगा. Write it down in the chat. You will remember it forever. Number one. Number two, there can be no spaces in a variable name. Okay, if there are no spaces, you can use underscore instead for better understanding purposes. Okay, you can't use spaces. Number 2 point. Please write it down in the chat right now. Number 3, can't use any of these symbols in your variable name. You should not use these all these all special characters and all in the variable name. Okay, number 3. Okay, done. So no special characters, these all special characters while writing a variable name. Okay, done. Now rules for variable. Okay, now one more thing. There is a concept known as PEP8. Okay, PEP8. The full form of PEP8 is Python Enhancement Proposal 8. I'll just open this PEP8. Now, this is a full index of Python Enhancement Proposal. The people who are writing this Python Enhancement Proposal are like, अपने government का constitution है, government of India का, like in government of Republic of India we have got a constitution. In that constitution lot of things are written. Okay, hey, these are the do's, these are these are suggested not to be done, and these are criminal activities, right? The same way, Python Enhancement Proposal is basically the proposals provided by the creators of Python and active contributors to Python programming language, that hey, you as a programmer need to have these certain bro code in your mind whenever you are coding in Python. Are you guys with me? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, so these are certain bro codes which are provided by the contributors to Python. Okay, so Python PEP8 is something which is being used, okay, regularly for style guides and all. PEP8 style guide for Python. Code layout should be like this. Okay, code layout should not be like this. Okay, and there are lots of things which they have written. Just you should know. Okay, ये interview का question है. Okay, this is interview question. What is PEP8? Fine. PEP8 is nothing else but like style guides which are being created. Python Enhancement Proposal 8. Created by Gudo Van Rossum and few other people. Who all are the creators, like writers? Gudo Van Rossum and Barry Warsum, Nick Clogan. So इन लोगों ने मिलके ये style guide लिखा है. ठीक है? Are we clear? Are we clear? Done. So because of these reasons, I generally prefer using, instead of a space in between my variable name, for the better understanding of every one of us, I use underscore. I hope you all guys are clear with it. Okay, so today number one homework about number one assignment for today is understand 5 points about PEP8. Okay, 5-pointer summary of PEP8. Are we clear? And tell me about it in tomorrow session. Okay, so clear, done. So is my voice clear, guys? Every one of you, मेरा voice एकदम clear है ना सबको? Assignment 1. In assignment 1 I have got, all I have got is understand, okay, understand at least 5 points 5. अरे तुम्हारा ये चैट जीपीटी का क्वेश्चन है यार. ओके जाओ चैट जीपीटी से पूछो, वो बता देगा. 5 मेजर पॉइंट्स ऑन पीईपी 8. फाइन, डन. सो ओके, सॉर्टेड. That's your assignment number 1. Honesty. Okay, honesty, bro. If you do this, you will be able to answer in your interview. Okay, it's an interview question, by the way. Fine. So what's the next data type that we have got in our entire this thing? The next data type that we have got is dictionary. Okay, what is the data type? The data type is dictionary. Okay, so I'll just copy this. अभी dictionary का actually मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by dictionary? Okay, what do you mean by dictionary? Tell me that. What do you mean by dictionary? Dictionaries का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, the number one in real life. What do you mean by dictionaries in real life? I'm looking forward to your answers ना. मैं आपके answers देख रहा हूँ, बताओ ज़रा फटाफट. ओके बताओ फटाफट. सीक्वेंस ऑफ, अरे यार मुझे आप डोंट गिव मी द एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिक्शनरी इन पाइथन. आई जस्ट वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिक्शनरी इन रियल लाइफ. ओके, रियल लाइफ के अंदर डिक्शनरी का मतलब क्या है बताओ. सो लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड अंडरस्टैंड डिक्शनरी. Okay, I'll just choose for images. Okay, and a dictionary is something like this. Okay, you will have a word and you will have a meaning attached to it. Agree? Yes or a no? Yes or a no? So you have a word and you have a meaning attached to it in entire dictionary. Dictionary ऐसी काम करता है ना भाइयों, है ना? Done. So ये डिक्शनरी नाम का डेटाबेस ना, दिस डिक्शनरी काइंड ऑफ डेटाबेस और लाइक डेटा टाइप is very important in Python programming language. Now where it is important, we will understand that. I will give you an example just now what I have done here with Gaurav Dole data that I have stored. I have stored Gaurav Dole ka data, age 23, name Gaurav Dole, and marks 99.9. Okay, done. But now if I only want to retrieve Gaurav Dole name, okay, from this particular list, my list 2, मुझे ओनली गौरव डोले का नाम चाहिए इसके अंदर. मैं ऐसे कर पाऊँगा क्या? कौन से इंडेक्स पे है, at which index Gaurav Dole name is present, I'll not be able to know. Agree? As a user, अगर मैंने खुद ने अगर ये create नहीं किया होता, if you are not able to see this, will you be able to know at which position Gaurav Dole name is stored in my list 2? Will you be able to know that? Yes or a no? Okay. Now you guys know what exactly the position is. That's where you are giving me 1. Okay, अगर आपको नहीं बताता तो, if you didn't know, then it's a tukka, right? It's a tukka means it's a guessing game. Okay, so whenever you are storing certain data which need to be identified real quick to access, for example your Aadhaar data. Okay, let's write down my Aadhaar data. Now in my Aadhaar data, what all things will be there in my Aadhaar data? Okay, by the way, first of all, learn about this. This is known as comment. Okay, अपन कमेंट लिख रहे हैं. कमेंट के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. You can read about what comments mean, and also other people explain what comments mean in programming language to the newbies. So you write it down in the chat, others will understand. Okay, hashtag hash. This is the hash is to write a comment. In Aadhaar card, what all things will be the name, identity, address, number, papa ka naam, like father's name, and we have got mother's name. Okay, and we have what all Aadhaar, okay, Aadhaar number, and what else we have got, और कुछ है क्या? Rowdy bro, give me notes. Don't forget it bro. Pakka I'll give you, don't worry. Okay, so let's just इतना रखते हैं, ठीक है data. Now if I want to store all these things in a list, let's take whose data? Raghav, R-A-G-H-A-V, Raghav Aadhaar data. So how I will store it? So I will use something known as key value pair. जैसे डिक्शनरी में होता है ना, डिक्शनरी में क्या होता है, डिक्शनरी में लाइक हाउ डिक्शनरीज की इज देयर एंड अ वैल्यू इज अटैच्ड टू इट, राइट? अ की इज देयर and an entire value is attached to it, right? Clear? A key dictionary, the word is there here and there is an entire key inside, there is an entire meaning attached to it. So that is what we will do right now. We will attach a key and we will attach a value to it which is retrievable easily. Okay, clear every one of you? So I'll just do curly braces and I will write down key, that is name. Inside name I will give the name, that is Raghav. कहाँ गया Raghav? Chat में गायब हो गया Raghav. Raghav, again please text boss. Raghav, I need your data, so please text. Where is Raghav? Raghav गायब हो गया. Okay, Raghav. Then what is that? Okay, address is let's say 201 high tech. Okay, 201 कुछ तो यार XYZ society, ठीक है? And we have got father's name. Okay, father's name, ठीक है? And in father name I'll just write down ABC. ABC नहीं है, let's write down my dad. ठीक है? And then I'll just use one more mom name. Okay, wow, I can see so many heart coming in there in the chat. Thanks a lot, it gives lots of motivation. My mom. Fine. And उसके बाद I have got what else? I have got Aadhaar number, obviously. AADH, Aadhaar number. For Aadhaar number I just need okay, for Aadhaar Raghav is even giving me his Aadhaar number in the chat. ओके ये भाई रैंडम नंबर है, अगर किसी के आधार से मैच होता है तो मुझे पकड़ना मत, ठीक है पुलिस वाले अंकल. फाइन. सो आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग अप इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी अगेंस्ट माय क्लास if this is someone's Aadhaar number, so don't please catch hold of me. So now what I have done, I have stored Raghav's entire data. Okay, Raghav data inside this. Now this curly braces, if you see, to write down a key value pair, it's unordered key value pair, it is stored in curly braces. What curly brackets को curly braces बोलते हैं. Okay, curly brackets are known as curly braces. So this is stored in curly braces. Wow, so many heart emojis are coming in there. सर आपने अपना एड्रेस लिखा था रिकॉर्ड करना. हाँ यार, आई एक्चुअली वॉज राइटिंग माई एड्रेस, so then I all of a sudden deleted it by understanding. So if I want to now retrieve only the address, so what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll do this, and then I'll write down add address. That's it. See, so I can get Raghav Aadhaar data. I just need address. Okay. Then if I need only the name, what I need to do, I just need to do is like, okay, name. समझ गए? Here, instead of now relying on a particular index position, I am relying on a key. I am relying on a key. Are we clear? Are we clear, every one of you? Done. So I just hope this is clear to every one of you guys who are here. Now if I want to call my Aadhaar number, or like Raghav's Aadhaar number, so Raghav Aadhaar data Aadhaar number, so I am only getting Aadhaar number. By the way, someone has commented that Aadhaar has got 12 digits. You only have 11 digits, so अपन 12 कर ही देते हैं ना. So लो पकड़ो, पुलिस वाले अंकल पकड़ना मत, ये काल्पनिक नंबर है. ठीक है. So someone is I am super sick. Anshu Bist, please get well soon, bro. Okay. And still thank you for attending this online like Python bootcamp, even when you are not feeling well. Love you a lot. Fine. So dictionary हो गया, done. Can we go ahead? Please tell me in the chat, every one of you. बताओ यार, can we go ahead? Okay. So now the next thing is set. Okay. The next thing is set. Shubham Raj, complain mat karna bhai. Okay. So set. Now what is a set? Set is a unordered collection of unique objects. तुम लोगों ने मैथ तो पढ़ी होगी ना 8th क्लास की. सेट्स इन मैथ. ओके. व्हाट आर सेट? सो ऐसा कुछ याद आ रहा है? कैन यू पुट सम प्रेशर ऑन योर मेमोरी एंड कैन यू रिमेंबर समथिंग लाइक दिस? ओके. कैन यू रिमेंबर समथिंग लाइक दिस इन योर लाइफ, एंटायर लाइफ? यू हैव डन लाइक एक गोला, दूसरा गोला, बहुत सारे नंबर बीच में, एंड ये जो बीच में आ रहा है ये यूनियन है, एंड दिस इज अ सेट. इन अ सेट वी कैन ओनली हैव यूनिक वैल्यूज. ओके. सो lots of things I hope you guys are able to remember, right? So this is what set is: a collection of objects or elements. Okay. Set of even numbers. Okay. And numbers and sets and all, I hope you remember. If you want to do the similar kind of math in Python, you can use a data type that is known as set. SETS. Sets या फिर like set. Okay. I hope you guys are clear. Unordered collection of unique objects. Unordered collection of unique objects. Unordered, why? Because it is unique objects, right? So you can't align them. If you're going to check if two objects are similar, then Python can't remember the original index of it. So वो एक reason है जिसकी वजह से unordered हो जाता है वो. Okay. So let's just get to it. Okay. So ST, or like let's write down again my set. My underscore set. My set. You have got curly braces. Okay, this is also written. This unordered collection of unique objects are also written in curly braces. Are we guys clear? Are we guys clear? Fine. Now, in this particular part, I'm just writing down data. Now I'm writing down some data. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. we have written down 1 for at least 3 times, 2 also 3 times, 3 also 3 times, right? Now when I will retrieve my set, what I am getting as an output, I am getting only and only unique objects out of this. Am I right? Clear? Abhi, now still you are seeing it is ordered, sir. The way how you have written it, 1, 2, 3, it is getting ordered likewise. But as soon as I write down something like name, or I write down a 0 in between, okay, I write down a 0 in between, then I run this, okay, अभी देखना unordered हो जाएगा. अब देखो 0 तो बाद में था, 0 देख पहले आ गया, 1 पहले था वो बाद में चला गया, okay. Now like the positions of the orderness have changed, right? So my set 0, 1, 2, 3 and name, that's how it's working. Okay, clear? Done. So this is utilized mostly when you are playing with data science, okay? When you're actually in lots of these data science libraries, set as a function becomes very crucial. So just remember this, there is one more data type in Python that is known as set in your mind, which gives you only unique values which are there in a particular collection. Are we clear? Every one of you? Are we clear? Are we clear? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. सब बताओ यार फटाफट, आपका समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा, क्या है, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ फटाफट. Okay, so I hope every one of you are like I hope every one of you are like wow, good, it's going good. ठीक है, चलो यहाँ तक आ गए. Now there is a last data type which is that we are going to touch base, that is known as tuple. Okay, that is known as tuple, T-U-P-L-E. Okay, now what is a tuple? Tuple is a data type which is used to store immutable things. Immutable का मतलब क्या होता है मुझे चैट में बताओ फटाफट. I just want to know what is the meaning of immutable. Okay, मुझे बताओ फटाफट, what do you mean by immutable? నాకు చెప్పండి, what do you mean by immutable? Teruma, what do you mean by immutable? I'm trying to like तुम्हाला माहित आहे का immutable चा मतलब का आहे आणि और क्या है, और what else, which other language? ગુજરાતી તમને આવડું છે, આવે છે immutable माने? Okay, I don't know yaar. It's like the thing that can't be changed, the thing that can't be changed. Okay, the thing that can't be changed, unchangeable, or like okay, done. So I can see a lot of you guys are like answering it real nice in the chat, a thing which is unchangeable. Okay, so it's, or else it is permanent, that is immutable. क्योंकि मैं आपको कोई चीज़ बताता हूँ लिस्ट में करके, पहले तो वो माई लिस्ट कहाँ गया, यहाँ कहीं था ना. Okay, my list 2. In my list 2 we have got this base list. Okay, so this list is working, everything fine. Okay, abhi if I want to add one more item to this list, if I want to add one more item to this particular list, what I'll do, my list dot. Okay, there are lots of inbuilt functions. Inbuilt function क्या है अपन आज सीखेंगे later on part में, but append नाम का एक inbuilt function है. There is a inbuilt function which is known as append. Okay, so now I'm just using it to enter one more item or element into this particular list. That is I have got age, name, percentage. Let me just get also number. Okay, mobile, like email, gaurav@dole.com. Okay, so I have added okay, I have added one more item to this particular list. अरे my list, अरे shit, मैंने गौरव डोले की लिस्ट की जगह मैंने माई लिस्ट 1 में ऐड कर दिया, तो मुझे 2 में ऐड करना है. सो आई विल ऐड इट इन 2 ऑल्सो. एंड सी हियर gauravdole.com. gaurav@dole.com is here in this particular thing. Okay, are we clear? Done, sorted. So you can add items to a list. List is changeable. You can add, delete, modify, or like you can create, read, update, delete is possible. Okay, is possible. What all things are possible? Okay, what all things are possible? Let me just write it down in a comment. Create, read, update, delete. Okay, so these all 4 things are possible on my list. Okay, are we clear? But when you will use something like when you will use this particular tuple, that time you will not be able to edit anything or like delete anything. Are we clear? Okay, so let's just write it down. कहाँ गया यार? Where is this particular thing? My tuple. Basically, the brackets that we will use is like parenthesis. These are known as circle brackets or like parenthesis, and inside parenthesis, okay, I'll just give data that is like 2 things. Pritish, P-R-I-T-I-H-S, Pritish, then like let me just give one more item that is like age. Okay, so my tup. Okay, so these are the how to identify. Whenever there is circle brackets, that means whenever there is circle bracket, that means it's a tuple. Whenever there is a square bracket, that means it's a square bracket. Means what? Give me that in the answer. Curly braces means what? Okay, how to identify it is a dictionary or it is a set? Tell me that in the chat. Okay, okay, so we are using this. Now I will try the same way. My tup dot, okay, my tup dot. अभी जैसे my tup डाल दिया मैंने, tup के बाद ना देखो my tup dot डालते से only 2 ही चीज़ें आई. Only 2 things are there. Okay, you can't add anything. There is no such thing known as like add or something. Only you can do is like count, or like you can do is like index. Count how many times this Pritish name is there in this particular tuple. That is what you can do. Or like you can only get index of this particular Pritish, this item, that is Pritish. तो index क्या है? 0. So ये list जैसा ही है, but इसमें क्या possible है? In this only 2 things are possible, that is create and read. Are we clear? Every one of you? Are we clear? Every one of you, please tell me in the chat. Every one of you, are we clear? Yes or a no in the chat, please tell me. So assignment number 2, okay, जो बड़ा assignment है तुम्हारा, ठीक है? The assignment which we have got, assignment 2, try at least 5 built-in functions of Python for these objects. Which all objects? List, dictionary, set and tup. Okay, इन चारों ऑब्जेक्ट्स के हर एक के मिनिमम 5 बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस आपको ट्राई करना है. आर वी क्लियर? You have to try minimum of these 5 built-in functions for these 4 data types. Are we clear? Are we clear? Super easy. Don't do like you can do chat GPT also, it's okay, but like you need to understand. Do chat GPT, do tutorial point, do W3 school, I don't care. All I care is you need to know the concept when you're sitting in front of an interviewer. Okay, tomorrow I will ask randomly to random person in the chat. Okay, when I'll ask them, you should be able to answer me. Okay, the delay time is only 20 seconds. I can see the chat. Okay, so if you are my student, you need to get this thing right. Okay, so that is assignment 2. Now what's next? Okay, what's next? Okay, we have got something known as operators. Okay, operators नाम का कोई चीज़ है. What do you mean by operators? First of all, let's understand that. What do we guys mean by operators? Operators म्हणजे क्या? What do we mean by operators? Okay, so ठीक है. So अभी तक क्या क्या पढ़ लिया अपन ने? Okay, what all things did we cover till now? We have progressed very fast till here. Okay. Are you guys with me? Yes or no? I mean, are you guys able to believe that you have completed? Who is the person who created Python? One gentleman. In which year? That is also there. Why Python became popular late, but Java became popular soon? I have also taught it yesterday. Then we spoke about one more concept, that was like, okay, what are the code environments? How to install Python in your machine? What are the different type of code environments? And then after this code environments, then we did basic data types. Okay, what do you mean by a data type? A data type is a data container. You can store all kinds of data in it. Then we started up with, yes, amazing. I love you all guys. You guys are putting up all the answers that we have done yesterday. Then we have also understood one more thing yesterday, that is inside data type, like integer, float, string and boolean. Today we have had a look at all the advanced objects or like data types, advanced data types or objects, that those are list, tuple, dictionary, set. Okay, ये चार चीजें हो गई. Now we are looking into operators. Now operators, there are various types of operators. Okay, let's just get it. मेरे notes में मैंने शायद सब दिया है आपको, types of operators करके. Okay, so basic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, then logical operators, membership operators. Okay, then identify operators. Okay, then bitwise operators. Now see, bitwise operators is something which is like very advanced thing, but we'll just go ahead and cover all these things one by one. The basic operators inside arithmetic operators. Now operators are nothing just but they allow you to manipulate data. इसको एक हथियार की तरह देखना. Okay, see operators as weapon. Okay, see operators as weapons. Now what kind of weapons are these? What kind of weapon are these? You can manipulate data. Manipulate data मतलब तुम plus minus subtract, plus minus, multiplication, division, these all you can do. That is one. Second thing is you can do is comparison. You can compare, is this big or is this big? Okay, you can compare also. You can also do one more thing, that is assignment operators. You can be like, assign this data to this particular variable. Okay, that assignment. Logical operators, like to compare two conditions, condition 1 and condition 2, ये दोनों बराबर है कि नहीं, क्या है. Membership operators are like kind of a shortcut. ये element इस list का member है कि नहीं. Okay, ये element ये list में नहीं है क्या. Okay, so these kind of questions you can ask with membership operators. Identify operators are like this equal to this equal to this. Simple. Okay, like this equal to this, is this yes or a no? So kind of the kind of result it is. Now the point is bitwise is like वो बाइनरी लेवल पे जाके चेक करता है, ठीक है, बाइनरी लेवल पे वो चेक करता है कि अच्छा इन दोनों को तुमने क्या परफॉर्म करो बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर्स, एंड बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर्स करने के बाद लास्ट में क्या वेरिएबल आता है. ये तुम्हारा डे टू डे यूज़ नहीं है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट दिस इज़ नॉट योर डे टू डे यूज, हाईली एडवांस कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, बट वी विल वो करना भी अगर आपको सीखना है तो मैं सिखा दूंगा. इट्स वेरी इजी. शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर, राइट शिफ्ट, लेफ्ट शिफ्ट, एंड एक्स और नॉट और एंड काइंड ऑफ डेटा इट इज़. ओके, सो कुछ नहीं है वो, बहुत इजी सा काम है वो, ठीक है, मैथमेटिक्स है. बट लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वेरी बेसिक्स. अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स वी ऑल नो. ओके, आई विल जस्ट कॉपी द स्पेलिंग. ठीक है, अपन अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर से चालू करते हैं. ठीक है, अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर क्या करता है, विल जस्ट टेक टू वेरिएबल्स, var1 equal to variable1 equal to, let's take a number. Can you just give me numbers in the chat? Okay, var1 var2. अरे सीधा मैं खुद एक नंबर ले सकता हूँ ना. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था स्ट्रीम तब थे 209 लोग. नाउ आई हैव गॉट 334 in my stream. Okay, number 1 number 2. Now if I have to plus number 1 plus number 2, क्या है, डेटा यहाँ आ जाएगा. ठीक है, if I have to do var1 minus var2, so कितने का ग्रोथ है, अरे var1 minus var2 is like 289 minus 289. Okay, var1 into var2, okay, that is this much. var1 divided by var2, okay, number 1 like number 1 divided by number 2, यार सिंपल सी बात है. सो सी ये डेसिमल में नंबर दे रहा है. ओके, नाउ इफ आई ओनली वांट रिमाइंडर, okay, remainder of a division, then I'll use something known as like percentage var1 percentage var2. वो सीधा 45 बता रहा है. ओके, सो ये सब पता है तुम्हें कि नहीं पता है? आई मीन प्लस यू नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, माइनस यू नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, var1 यू नो, सॉरी मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू नो, डिवाइड यू नो. ओके, ये शायद एक अकेला आपके लिए नया है. इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए नंबर वन इज इक्वल टू, लेट्स टेक 10. ओके, num2 let's take 3. okay, so number 1 divided by number 2, तो क्या आता है 3.33333. बट अगर वही नंबर 1 परसेंटेज नंबर 2 करता हूँ ना, तो what we will get that is 1. okay, why are we getting 1? It's a reminder or remainder, whatever you call. What is remainder in division? okay, image कहाँ गया, ये रहा, ये ना ये सिंपल है, डिवाइजर, डिविडेंड, कोटेंट and your remainder. So remainder, this 3. So if I have 3 here and if I have got 10 here, 3 3s are 9, and if minus, only 1 will remain. That 1 is remainder. To get this remainder, we use this percentage symbol in arithmetic operations in Python. Are we guys clear? Please tell me in the chat. Are we guys clear? This percentage is nothing else but it is known as modulus. Okay, done. Are we clear? Now I have got something in comparison operator. Okay, now I have got something that is comparison operator. ये इसका तुम्हें लिंक मिल गया ना गाइस? इस चीज़ का तुम्हें लिंक तो गया है ना? हाँ यार, इसका तो लिंक तो गया ही होगा ना आपके पास अभी तक तो. Bitwise operators are used basically for performing your IoT level things and all. You guys are not going to use it, so I am very clear in my mind that उसके ऊपर मैं टाइम वेस्ट करके तुम्हारा टाइम बर्बाद करूँगा. मैं जो बच्चे बिगिनर है वो उनका भी टाइम बर्बाद होगा, एंड यू गाइज विल बी लाइक all over the place. See, comparison operators compare two values and it will either give you true or either it will give you false. Okay, either give true, either false. Are we clear? Done. So 5 equal to 3, no, the result is false, we know that. 5 not equal to, ये जो symbol है ना, exclamation mark, equal to, this is known as not equal to. 5 is greater than 3, this is simple. Less than 3, 5 is less than 3, no, false, so we will get answer is false. Then we have got 5 is greater than or equal to 3, yes, it is greater than 3, so we will get true. 5 is less than or equal to 3, no, the answer is false, so that is the answer. Okay, clear? Are we clear about it? Are we clear about it? इतना clear है? Comparison operator सब clear है? Assignment operator, okay, assignment operator, whatever variable name, variable equal to this, that अपन ने assign कर दिया. +3 मतलब by default जो number है अपन करके देखते हैं. okay, addition assignment, assignment operator, okay, assignment operator. In assignment operator I wanted to test check basis. Number one thing, it's like a equal to 10, a plus equal to 4. Then when I'll do a, what will happen? A will be 14. क्या कर रहा है ये? पहले मैंने जो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू दिया a इज इक्वल टू 10, देन आई डिड a प्लस इक्वल टू प्लस इक्वल टू 4. दैट मीन्स वॉट? दैट मीन्स इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल, राइट? इट्स लाइक 10 प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 14. आर वी क्लियर? अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूं या फिर मैं a इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 4 लिखूं तो एक ही मतलब है. ओके, इफ आई रन दिस एंड इफ आई रन दिस, ओके, मैंने क्या रन किया? लाइन नंबर 64 और 65 रन किया और मैंने 66 के ऊपर आउटपुट क्या 14 है. अगर मैं वापस से ये रन करता हूँ 67 और वापस से ये 68 वाला रन होता है, अभी वापस से मैं आउटपुट पे जाता हूँ तो क्या आ रहा है? 14 आ रहा है. आर वी क्लियर? a इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 4 लिखने की जगह मैं a प्लस इक्वल टू 4 लिख दूंगा तो भी चलेगा. आर वी क्लियर अबाउट इट? आर वी क्लियर अबाउट इट? प्लीज टेल मी इन द चैट. now we will now a is equal to what? A is equal to 14 by default. Done. So a minus equal to, let's say, 6. Then we will get what? Then we will get what? That is 8, because 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Are we clear? Done. So a minus equal to 6. समझा? Done. तो ये आता है. Then अभी लॉजिकल के पास जाते हैं. We guys have got, hey, तोड़ मत देना भाइयों. Okay, so we guys have got something. Okay, what's happening is there is a glass door there. Some few students without an access card and all, they were trying to just push that glass wall very much. And what's happening in there is like, my class. What's happening in there is like these guys are pushing it so hard, टूट ही जाएगा. ठीक है. So what's a logical operator? Logical operator is something like when you have got two different statements, statement 1 and statement 2 and statement 3 and like statement 4, multiple statements, and when you want to check those statements properly, when you want to check those statements properly in terms of an expression and all. So how you guys can actually go ahead? So you guys can go ahead something like, I'll tell you one real time example and then we'll go to logical operators. Okay, मैं एक real time example देता हूँ. बच्चों शीशा तोड़ दो. वो एक शीशा ना 20,000 रुपये का है, ठीक है, तुम्हारा क्लास फ्री में चल रहा है. उस वो एक टूटेगा तो वाट लग जाएगा. I mean not in terms of revenue, in terms of like getting it ready. Okay, now the question is very simple question for every one of you. You all might have hosted birthday parties in your childhood, right? Birthday parties in your childhood. Now, when you all guys have hosted birthday parties in your childhood, your friends are gonna come to your house. Okay, you have to treat them. You have to give them samosa, jalebi, or like you have to give them puff or something or other. Or okay, now you go to one bakery and ask them for, hey भैया 20 समोसे है क्या? Question number 1. और बंदे का अगर आंसर yes है, okay, that is okay. Then you will ask one more question. hey भैया समोसे गरम है क्या? Okay, so if I have to translate the same thing in English, hey boss, samosas are there in your bakery? 20 samosas are there in your bakery? Yes. Are the samosas are really hot? 2 questions, right? If these 2 questions are true, if these 2 questions are true, that means if these 2 questions are right, then only I will buy samosas from you. Okay, clear? If these 2 questions are not right, then I will not buy samosas from you. Are we clear? Done? Sorted? So that is the basic question that we have got. नीरज इज लाइक सर बोल रहे हैं कि सब कोर्स पूरा करोगे तो समोसा पार्टी मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो this situation is a logical operator. This situation is logical operator. Now one more condition I'll give you. For example, that is only one bakery in your entire city. Even if the samosas are not hot, you will buy it, right? You'll say, fine, give me 20 samosas. I need to get my friends treated. So it's like or condition there. अरे ठीक है, okay यार चलो. Okay यार चलो. That is like or. If you are strict, nahi, both the conditions should be right, then only I will buy from you. That is and. Okay, so got it? Done. This is known as conditional statements, or like conditional statement, and both the statements should be right. That is known as like logical operators and all. So that's the part. Okay, that's the part in the logical. And ये condition भी होगा, ये condition भी होगा, then the result will be true. For example, 5 is greater than 3, yes. 4 is less than 2, no, it's false. So the overall answer of this thing is false. Overall answer is false. और के अंदर क्या है? 5 is greater than 3, there is 1 true. 4 is less than 2, no, it is 0. 1 or 0, okay, at least एक हाँ है ना, so okay, fine, it is okay, we will pass on. Logically not is 5 is greater than 3, by default it is true, but अगर मैं not लगा देता हूँ आगे तो false हो जाएगा. This we will be using in our rock paper scissors game. Okay, we'll be using this logic in our rock paper scissors game. Are we clear? Done? Sorted? That's it guys. I'll stop here for today. Lots of like logistic issues. AC नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पे, वाट लग जा रहा है, इतना गर्मी है. Basement, it is a basement, right? And without AC, there's a lot of problem here. But on top of it, no water, and also lots and problems, because one aarti I became late. Okay, one aarti actually became late. Okay, so that's one thing. So tomorrow we will continue from here. Tomorrow we have to learn that is control flow, if, loops, while loop, okay, then loop control statement, that is break or continue, okay, nested loop, loop else clause, looping through containers. Fine, we will be doing this tomorrow in our class number 1. Then we will do functions and modules and file handling. One request, tomorrow's class will be from 6:30 to 8:30. Will it be okay for you all? Is it fine for you all? Please tell me in the chat, is it fine for you all if tomorrow's class is going to be of 2 hours instead of 1.5 hours? 6:30 to 8:30. Please tell me that in the chat. अगर कल 2 घंटे नहीं बैठना ना तो फिर परसों और उसके बाद तो बैठना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है, 2 घंटे, क्योंकि वी हैव टू गो टिल ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग इज लाइक huge thing that we have got tomorrow. Done. Tomorrow my day starts way early. I've got what all things tomorrow यार. कल बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यार मेरे कैलेंडर में. ठक. कल है 9 बजे से लेके till 8:30. Tomorrow is that. So fine, nice, good. So tomorrow I'll meet you guys, and tomorrow we will be going ahead from दो ठपकी मार के टेबल तोड़ दे. इतना आसान टेबल नहीं है रे, ठीक है. सो थैंक्स अ लॉट एवरीवन फॉर लाइक जस्ट बीइंग देयर. I'll see that tomorrow if we can do till 8:30, because the staff also has to work out and everything. Instead of doing tomorrow 8:30, Saturday एक extra एक और class कर दो. That is also one option. I'll talk to my team who are doing essentials. And one more time, happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I just hope this festival brings lots and lots of happiness and joy to your family and you. Take care. Don't roam a lot also, and take care of your health. Fine, that's it guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. And we will share these notes and everything, notes link in your WhatsApp group. Okay? Chalo. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye. Fine guys. Bye bye. Attendance link and everything is there in your comment section. Check out your comment section. In your comment section you will find a specific link for attendance. Just go ahead, mark your attendance there, and then we will then you can easily mark your attendance. Not at all a question. Fine. Chalo. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day, and we'll meet in your next session. Let me go to YouTube Studio. और भाइयों, और क्या चल रहा है? What all things that you guys are doing in your hey, by the way, we guys have posted a video on our YouTube channel recently about our students, meet our undergraduate students kind of video. चेक करो जाके एक बार, बहुत मेहनत से बनाया वीडियो. ओके, सो चेक इट आउट. दैट्स वन थिंग. एंड वेयर टू गो यार, हाउ टू गो इन स्ट्रीम? आई एम नॉट एबल टू गो इन टू स्ट्रीम. अरे I don't know how to go to stream. मेरे को पता नहीं है स्ट्रीम में कैसे जाते हैं. मैं अलग परेशान. हाँ, आ गया स्ट्रीम में, तो आ गया मैं, ठीक है. डन. थैंक यू गाइस. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर लाइक जस्ट बीइंग देयर एंड like learning a lot today along together. Bye bye, and take care. Have a nice day. And tomorrow 6:30 will start, and we will finish the entire session by either 6:30 or सॉरी 6:30 विल स्टार्ट एंड विल फिनिश इट बाय आइदर 8 o'clock और 8:30. ये अपन दोनों टाइम में से कल एक डिसाइड करेंगे. ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे एंड विल मीट टुमारो 6:30. फाइनली एंड कर रहा हूँ स्ट्रीम.